Step into the future of software development with our cutting-edge course on Python microservices. This is not just another course, it's a deep dive into advanced architecture that power the most scalable and resilient system in the world. You'll master microservices from the ground up, learning to build robust, modular services with Flask and Fast API. Will guide you through the complexity of inter-service communication, securing your services with JWT and O2, and empower your deploy and scale with Kubernetes and Docker. But we don't stop there. You'll explore the advanced topic like CQRS, event sourcing, and serverless architecture, arming you with the skills to tackle the real-world challenges heads-on. Plus, we'll delve into CI/CD pipelines, performance optimization, and the best practices that will set you apart as a microservices expert. This course is designed for developers who are ready to elevate their careers and lead the way in the building the next generation of software. Don't just learn, transform your skill set and become the expert the industry is searching for. Enroll today and start shaping the future of software with Python microservices.